this is gonna be the good shit. Have you seen anything like that? When's the last time you had some great, this is like grade 10 YU or something? So very good. Look at that. When the smoke. Absolutely beautiful, yeah. There you go, there you go. That's pretty. Wow. Wow. Boy, I tell you what, I've been on a little YouTube video break, but for those of you who have been in the Whale Crew, my personal trade group, you guys already know we've been murdering the game for, I could just say the past few weeks, but it's been since the beginning, since December. We are the #1 most profitable trade group in crypto, arguably in any trading, you name it. Forex, stocks and bonds, our GM, our lift trades are kicking ass, and no one's pegging it like me. I can keep going and going. Shit. I mean, hell, what, the other day, this is what we posted, and it's pretty much playing out. It might not be exact, but the point still remains the same. We were gonna come down, long it. We've been longing it. We've been just murdering the game. I don't know what else to tell you, folks. So even though I haven't been doing videos, best you believe, while all these other shitter YouTubers are talking about, oh, it's good, there's gonna be a big move coming, up or down, you guys have been saying the same thing for the past 2 months. And most of the time you're wrong. You can't even get it right. You can't even call it if it's gonna go up and down and get that right, because then it goes sideways. So while you all are playing your little games, me and my people are actually making trades, and every single one has been profitable. There was one trade yesterday or the day before we entered short, actually, and then I saw it was actually going to go long, so we got out of the trade. There was a $5 difference in price, so I guess technically you can say that I wasn't perfect, but we're pretty damn close. So I've grown my trade account in the past 10 days by 70%. All my people are happy. All you have to do is just see for yourself. The profit logs are public every single day. I appreciate, I see this every day, guys. So even though I don't respond to you guys saying thank you and whatnot, I see it. I appreciate it. Thank you to Bybit again. I had the most wonderful time in China. Couldn't have asked for a better time. Couldn't have asked to work to be a part of a better revolution. We are now starting to see other people, other YouTubers start to use Bybit. Every single day, more and more people are leaving and joining us. For good reason. Have you seen their order books? Look at their order books. Here, let me pull it up here. Let's take a look, see here. Ever since the CryptoFace community has taken Bybit by storm, we have been, their order books have, I mean, increased 20, 30, 40, 50 fold. I'm not going to take all the credit. They've done what they've needed to do to add market makers, but I like to think that we've done our part. And I must say that Bybit is #1, and it might not reflect yet in the volume against BitMEX and whatnot, but when you make every dollar that you see in profit, when you see however much in profit, you close your trade and you have it all, woo-hoo-hoo. I remember there was one time on BitMEX I was up one full Bitcoin in a trade, and I was like, let me see how much I actually make if I exit at a market order. Do you know how much I ended up making? About 0.4 something Bitcoin. So don't get ripped off by BitUNix or anyone else with shitty order books. So everything's going great for us, and let's do a little special. Let's do a little special. So here's the deal. If you sign up with my link for Bybit, and then you send me your user ID when you sign up, so when you send me your info on Discord, you get $100 off the membership to be a part of literally the #1 trade group in the world, bar none, no questions asked. We're like 6 for 6 in trades in the past 10 days. I am extremely comfortable in the market right now. Haven't been shorting. We've just been longing and murdering it. And that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple in my eyes. Pretty simple. You guys are all talking about bump and runs, and you guys are getting hit and run. You guys keep regurgitating the same things, calling other YouTubers scammers. And you're all circle jerkling each other, talking about the same shit, while me and my people, we're kicking back, actually making the money. Now, I'm not saying there's not a place for entertainment and people to FUD other stuff and fiddly fart around and talking about bump and runs. I'll tell you what, you want to know what a bump and run? But we've been bumping and running. We've been banging. You bump and run, CryptoFace and his people. We bump and run. We put our money where our mouth is, and these checks cash. I am stacking up. We are stacking up crypto every single day. We are winning. The market is going up, and I don't even care about trying to know what's going to happen a week from now or whenever. Even though I typically do know. I do know. I'm focused on what the charts are telling me at this moment. And we are not waiting for confirmation. That's what they all say. They go, oh, waiting for confirmation, then I'll get in. Well, that's not how it works. You're waiting for the golden cross. One person says it, and then you use their shit, then you call them a scammer. What's wrong with you people? How can you regurgitate the same thing? How can you be so comfortable with copying those around you, other YouTubers? Golly. So, at the end of the day, no one is winning as much as we are. And that's not even coming from me. That's coming from my people that are in every other trade group that you can think of. Kirby's, Four Flies, Hypnotize, Bye-Byes, to China. So, if you are looking, if you actually, if you have a life, kids, and you are serious about actually generating an income long-term with trading, then there is no better place than the Whale Crew. And there is no better place to trade currently right now than Bybit, hands down. Hands down. Hands down. Now, if you join my group and you're just using BitUNX, I tell you what, not even if you join my group, if you are just someone who is using BitUNX, then you gotta take your money when it's in the green, because if you are stuck, you will get stuck if a big move happens and it's overloaded. I don't have that problem. We don't have that problem anymore. Ripple and EOS are coming to Bybit very soon. Within the next week, I believe. But don't quote me on that. I don't know. I could sit here and tell you about the market. It's the same shit. The same things have been happening. We're just pressing up. We're pressing up. There's support, yada, yada. There's resistance, but the resistance is probably going to be broken. I think we're still going to go up more before we go down. But that to me doesn't even matter, because all that matters is the rate now and how I'm going to get money now. What trade makes sense now. That's what separates me from everybody else. No one trades like us. So it's good to be back. I missed you guys. Hopefully you've missed me. But if you've missed me and you're not in the trade group, you are missing out. You are missing out. You are missing out. So join me. Use my link. Send it to me on Discord. You get $100 off. I'm hoeing myself out. And I got some, and this is about to end. I'm not making this up because I have a couple big interviews that's coming. And I don't want to do it for $400. I don't want to offer my trade group for $400 when I got these other things coming up. So take advantage while you can. I have been using 15x leverage with Bitcoin. Nothing super crazy. Might be crazy to some. But I know a lot of you guys are going a lot harder than that. I've made 70% in 10 days using 15% with Bitcoin. I haven't even been trading shitcoins. Just Bitcoin. That's all I need. I think that's about it. If you want to live the life, if you are serious, done, you're not a douche. But if you actually, what were the 3 words? It was it was responsible, patient, and cool. RPC. If you can be responsible, patient, and cool, then you can do this. You can do it. You can do it. And seriously change your life. It's true. So when it's green, take your money and you don't have to go for a home run every swing. Singles, doubles, triples, they score. So we have been scoring. What can you say? What can you say, folks? Proof's in the pudding. We're over 600 members strong. Scroll down. Join now. We got the market tagged. Best trade group in the world. I just can't stop saying it. I can't stop saying it. But things are going really well for us right now. And they have been for a long time. Since the beginning. Since the beginning. I said at the beginning of this year, this is going to be the easiest year to trade in crypto. So now is the time. Don't think, just do. Follow the rules. Be cool. Don't be a douche. And let's all get rich together and hold hands. Let's all hold hands. Peace.